I just received a BMW M5 F90 for the repair, guys. Let's check our latest project. Welcome on my channel. My name is Alex and we buy cars from auctions, rebuild them and show everything here on the video. We will repair this car and it will be looking like brand new one. It has like 80,000 kilometers on the dash. Condition is not very good now, but I'll tell you that it will be very much better in the end. We will check the condition of previous repair and the start point of our series. My client decided to make this car after accident and he gave this car to the body shop. They started the job, they made some job, a big job, but the quality of the job was not suitable for him. He took it from there and the car 1 year stayed in the garage. After he found my channel, after he found me later, and this car is in Poland at our location and I will be repairing this car. So let's check the condition of this car. Some body parts are already changed but not fitted as well. And we're gonna check all the electric system, we're gonna check all the brake system, cooling system, drivetrain system, so everything mechanical should be working 100% okay on this car. We will finish body work, we will paint, we will change the front shield, we will change left side skirt. Right side is quite okay, but on the left we need to make some job. Let's check closer. We have a bumper, but bumper is not fitted, it's holding only on the tape. We have laser lights, but they are not coded yet. Also we have new pack of all radiators. This full front was damaged and it already repaired by previous company. The fender also is changed. We have here the carbon mirrors, we have the spec with carbon roof, damaged left side skirt. We will change it also. The rims are quite okay, need some refurbishment. This body panel, rear quarter, you can see how previous repair was. We have a new trunk cap. Here you see that it's not painted correctly because we will repaint it, and this is only grunted. We will also paint it. We will also fit new bumper in the best condition, in the best fitment as it should be. Custom aftermarket Remus exhaust tips. Here the tip is damaged, so I am looking to buy this fourth tip. We have carbon installment also here. Let's check the trunk section. Here also is all disassembled. We need to finish it. We need to put all plastics and finish the sealant. It should be like here, you see. Here we have a factory sealant, and on this way we don't have it, but we will put everything here. The lithium battery is installed and you see what a mess, because the car is after some not finished repair. Let me show you the interior. The interior was also damaged. The airbags was blown up, the wheel airbag, steering wheel, and the dash airbag was blown up, but it's already changed. We have repaired a dash. The client repaired it on the previous repair, and now we need to change the seat belts, and the main part is to fix the electronic, guys, because electronic here is not okay, because when I put the battery on, when cables on battery, I can't turn off the ignition on this car. First, what I will do here, I'll fix the electronic problems. I will order a new parts that we need for it. So in the next videos we will see how I will repair the electronics here with electronics, how I'll be ordering parts for this car, and later when we will be visiting the body shop and the paint shop, and after all will be done, we will make a good detailing, so the car will look glossy and shine and will be safely coated in some ceramics, I think. So stay tuned, have a nice day and see you in the next video.